pilots Thomas and Hooper, along with Brom 1, had all the bags empty, as it was time for them to head back to Hooper. Hooper, the pilot Hooper, had been thinking, "Do you think we should have a look in Port Arthur?" he asked. "What are we looking for in Port Arthur?" asked Pilot Thomas. "There's been talk about a railway that's connected to it to the Fox and House pub, but it's a station with the same name," explained Pilot Hooper. "You could mean the Bushmill Railway that was opened in 1986, asked Brom 1. "Weeks of Cooper, it's been closed in 2004. That was 20 years ago, and who was ever thought of reopening it? I'm interested to see. I spotted a line that moved to it. Just to the shed at least," said Pilot Hooper. "I'm quite enough to visit as hopeful and noisy," he went on. "Well, Pilot Hooper, if you want to have a look, I'd keep quiet because I heard some police car was driving her," or Pilot Thomas. So Pilot Hooper went sneaking to the Bushmill Railway. Long ago, the line was built for 38 years. The line was double gauge or 2-foot gauge, a standard was who fit on them. It goes from the Bushmill to the pub hotel. As time passed, as of 2024, there had been no arrangement of reopening it. Pilot Hooper came to the far side, finding a shed standing still. A small Garrett engine had been exported to England in 2002, telling him it was empty. He saw the sign that was put there saying, "Private property. Anyone who trespasses will be prosecuted." "It will hurt when I explore it," thinks Pilot Hooper. He often tried to enter, but always stopped himself when there was a police car about. This morning he made a plan. Hooper did. He had a passenger on board him, such as Twilight Sparkle, a Princess Anita of the Council of Friendship. She had visited Hooper, and when she heard Pilot Hooper had been visiting Tasmania, she wanted to ride him. Pilot Hooper whispered to her to make him go on the line of the Bushmill Railway so as to see if much has changed, with using her magic to make him weightless as to not upset the line. Once she did a magic, the tram engine began exploring it, listening for anyone's call of, "Oi, get off the tramway." As he steamed from the first side, he crossed a bridge with cabby cars he saw there was a danger sign. He thought he was running over, but following behind him, Pilot Thomas also wanted to explore the railway. Twilight did a magic on him as well before she did Pilot Cooper, and behind the tank engine was Brom 1 on a flatbed truck. But when we got to the end of the line next to the pub, Pilot Cooper, expecting the station to be empty, had a scream of terror. Pilot Thomas, you're wrong. Look by the station, said he. The other two had a look and had the same shock. Twilight got off the footplate, wondering what they were staring at, till she saw what hit her eye. There, standing by the station, was a car. Not a modern one, but a car from 1914, with a nameplate saying A111118. That was what scared Pilot Cooper. Twilight, as much as we secretly made a visit, what kind of car is it, and what do the markings mean in full sentence? Asked Pilot Cooper shakily. I think they say Armistice Day, 11th November 1918, when a war ended, said Twilight. I remember my original self telling me the same thing when I worked at the mine, said Pilot Thomas. But as Pilot Cooper said, what kind of car is it, and how did he end up in a Busan in Vienna? I can explain my loss and the true fact, said the car. I'm Bartels, a Graf and Stift 2832, double-featured. I was built in 1911 and was bought from a couple, a royal couple, to myself drive in 1914. We were driving to a suburb from Busan, Sarajevo. Some criminals who saw me attacked us with dangerous traps. I managed to escape them when reaching a hole. The sad minute was, on the way back, we were to visit a hospital. Instead, this man came up to us, and the rest was tragic. I left with deaths hitting me, trying to save their lives, but they passed away, and I was put in the Busan, never driven. What are you doing in the Bushmill Railway, old auntie? You want so old, huh? Said Brom 1. To make my final visit before Christmas would come, the day when everything is closed. All of a sudden, Pilot Hooper lost his fur. He never thought to expect to find what was scattered. The other two didn't realize either, except there was one thing they hated, and it was bad gossips. Butters said that he was tired of people calling him a cursed car, which he was not. Guys, with finishing his sad tale, we should leave. I don't think the police would like to see us trespassing, Twilight reminded them. Oh yeah, what people gossip talking on when this line will open again, said Pilot Hooper. I can drive myself out nearby, said Butters. We left the second station, heading back to the first one. There wasn't anyone calling them to get out when we left, which was a record breaker. Pilot Hooper checked the cameras if we were watched, but they weren't. That is until when we heard a boy screaming, "Burglars!" Uh-oh. A key to start a mob protest, cried Pilot Thomas. We can't get hooked on fresh. Do you think we should wait with doing a job? I think so. He must be spreading an untrue tale of us that we're trespassing, but we didn't get prosecuted, said Pilot Hooper. I don't think we'll stay that way for long if the police get us, said Bromwell. I might stick with you guys, because I hope that boy to be a brat, said Twilight. They decided to wait with hiding in Palmer's Wood or sorting engine parts.